Hey everyone, there's a lot of talk about the shape of the Earth, which you think is a bit strange because we all learned in school that it's a globe, it's a sphere, it's round. But there's a lot of talk and a lot of flack about it being not that shape, not a sphere, not round, that maybe it's flat. So there's a big debate. Flat Earth, round Earth. When I say round, no, I think you know I mean a more technical 3D word would be a sphere or a globe. But why is there such a debate? In fact, there's even heard of two other theories recently. It could be what did I hear? It could be curved at the edges. It could be hollow. It could be concave. So there's all kinds. I jokingly think, well, maybe it's like a donut. Who knows? But okay, why doesn't someone just put this for rest once and for all? Let's say, for example, this is the shape of the Earth, and someone say, all right, I will prove it. It's undisputed. It's a scientific fact. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a plane. I'm going to record it. And I'm going to start at a certain point, and I'm going to go all the way around in a continuous loop. Boom, and I'm going to come back right where I start. And I'll prove I'm not going in like a little area here or a little area here or some other weird angle. I'm going to go, in math you may know, is that this would be the circumference. I have to think back for this school. Radius, diameter, so yeah, the circumference, or circumnavigate, I think is the word, right? So why does someone not, we have technology, right? We have video. I'm sure you might have to refuel. I forget how long, what the circumference of the Earth is, but why doesn't someone just do one loop all the way around that way? Okay, let's just say it's in north to south, whatever, longitude, latitude, whatever corresponds, all the way around. And they say, okay, now we're going to go east-west, latitude, perpendicular, and go all the way around that way, okay? There you go. Two passes, maybe even a third, because if you ever see, sometimes there's a third, if you want to divide a globe, maybe they go halfway, and then they go whatever across the equator, whatever it is. They go around 360 degrees all the way around. So 2 or 3 passes all the way around, complete film coverage the whole time. Maybe they have to stop to refuel. Okay, understandable. Okay, maybe there's not enough recording ability because I don't know, does it take 24 hours? I mean, you can fly anywhere in the world, I think. Whatever it is, we know it's pretty simple math, but why not have someone, if we've had in the past Amelia Earhart and all these people who have flown across the Pacific and the Atlantic and done these amazing flights, why isn't someone just circumnavigate in real time and add a few bonus? I made some notes here. So maybe they could, there have to be some rules, right? Like it has to be, you can't have a fisheye lens, because if I'm not mistaken, a fisheye lens can make things look curvy when they're not curvy. Okay, I said if they have to land in between, they have to refuel. Okay, is there a GPS? I don't know. My car, when we drive, when we walk, you have GPS on your phone. Is there a GPS we could follow in this flight path? We'd have to see the sun. I mean, if we're going around and the sun, let's just say the sun is somewhere here, would it be complete dark? We'd have to know like what we're in store for. Is the sun's, if someone's flying and the sun is not around, is it going to be completely dark? And could that be somebody trying to trick somebody, saying, hey, I've flown in the dark, but they really went somewhere else, and they went so whatever. There would have to be enough rules where everybody would agree and say, okay, it's legit. Continuous shot, track in real time. Yeah, so I think this is it. This would prove it. Why is this not done? Do we need like a GoFundMe, or has it been done? What are your thoughts? So I think that would solve it. There's other theories out there, but the old saying, the proof is in the pudding. So whatever pudding you got, let's just put a pudding plane around the Earth a few times, and either it happens or it doesn't. Either it proves it or it doesn't. Let me know your thoughts.